Om Dhanvantare Namaha. Welcome to today's episode of Sahasra Yaga of Sahasra Yoga, an online lecture series on Sahasra Yogam by Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. I am Dr. Priyanka Gurugunti, Associate Professor at Samatha Ayurvedic Medical College, Alan, Gulbarga, and author of textbook Paishachakalpana Vijnana, and have mini manufacturing unit of herbal cosmetic products named as Ayurvartak. Today, let's understand about the yoga named Chitraka Kashaya. It is named because of the ingredient used in the Kashaya, and details of Chitraka Kashaya is available in Sahasra Yoga. The ingredients of Chitraka Kashaya are Chitraka Moola 1 part, Jala 16 parts. Method of preparation: prepare sthula churna of Chitraka Moola and add 16 parts of water, boil to reduce 1/8 part, then filtered. The main indication of Chitraka Kashaya is Sikta Meha, which is correlated with lithuria, where excessive uric acid is absorbed in the urine and the person expels out urine which looks like sand particles. Now let's understand how this Chitraka Kashaya helps to counteract the Sikta Meha by analyzing the mode of action. This yoga possesses Katurasa, Laghu Ruksha Tikshna Guna, Ushna Virya and Katu Vipaka. Doshagnata is Kaphavata Shamaka. Sikta Meha is a disease which is caused by vitiated kapha and impairs Medhadhatu along with Kledha and Mamsa. It affects Mutravaha Shrotas also. So, our therapeutic goal in managing Sikta Meha caused by Kapha, Medha and Mamsa would be to attain the Lekhana, Kafagna and also normalizing the Mutravaha Shrotas. Here, Katurasa, Katuvipaka and Ushnavirya helps to do the Lekhana action. Laghu, Ruksha, Tikshna Gunas will help to outcome with the Kleda, as drug possesses Tikshna Guna and Lekhana property helps in Shroto Shodhana. Thus, fulfilling the therapeutic goal, now let's understand karma exhibited by the yoga. Karmas are Lekhana, Kafagna, Deepana and etc. Hence, it lowers the blood glucose levels by enhancing insulin secretion due to its anti-diabetic and antioxidant property. Dose of the Kashaya is up to 2 pala in divided doses. Advised to take before food, and Anupana is Madhu. By understanding Rasapanchaka and Karma of Kashaya, based upon Yukti, we can utilize the Kashaya in several conditions like Vibhanda due to Pachana property, in Arsha due to Arshogna and Deepana Pachana property, in Ajina due to Deepana and Pachana property of the Kashaya, in rheumatoid arthritis due to Shotahara property of the Kashaya, in Shula due to Shula Prashamana property of the Kashaya, in osteoarthritis due to Chwaragna property of the Kashaya, in Prasuti Vikara and Makkal Shula due to Garbhashaya Sankochaka property of the Kashaya, in Agnimandya due to Deepana property of the Kashaya. Thus, to conclude, Chitraka Kashaya is mainly beneficial in Sikta Meha and also beneficial in Agnimandya, Ajina, Vibhanda, Arsha, Prasuti Vikaras, Udara Shula, etc. Thank you.